Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do something simple, but I'm gonna show you how to cook the pasta. I know you guys know how to cook the pasta, but this time I'm gonna show you how to cook the pasta with right technique. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients now. So I have some oil, olive oil, and I have 1 tablespoon of salt, and I have 1 kilo of penne pasta. Techniques I'm gonna give you, you can apply on any pasta, fettuccine, spaghetti, or whatever you have, whatever you're gonna cook. So I have my pot on the back on the stove. It's already boiling up, so I'm gonna show you how to do that one. So my hot water is bubbling up now. What I'm gonna do, first I add the salt. Some of them not adding the salt, then your pasta won't be salt enough. So what I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna add olive oil, 1 or 2 tablespoon olive oil. The reason we put the olive oil, if you put the olive oil, the pasta won't stick together. So that's the main reason. After you adding the olive oil, the water gonna go down, but let it boil first. Leave it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna add my pasta. I'm gonna give you another tip. This is a 1 kilo of pasta. Once you put the pasta, water must be over the pasta, cover all the pasta. So I'm gonna add the once you put the pasta, you make sure give a nice mix and let it cook first. So after 5 minutes, what you can do, you just can check it. So always what you see and what your tongue says. So that's how you're gonna identify whether it's cooked or not. So make sure you taste it. That's the best way to check. You can't depend on the time because it's totally different what I am using and what you're using. The flame is different, so you can't depend on the time. So you make sure you just taste it. That's the best way to check the pasta whether it's cooked or not. Make sure you always mix them up, so in that way it will cook. Otherwise some will cook, some will not. As I said, best thing is get a 1 piece and check whether it's cooked or not. So I'm gonna grab one and see how it is. It's cooked. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain this one out. And I have a strain up here in the sink. Your safety is first. Make sure you handle the hot water with care. So I get the tea towel and I'm gonna strain out. And you can still drizzle some olive oil, then it won't be stick together. And if you want to cool it down, you can cool it down and you can portion it and you can keep in the fridge up to 4 to 5 days and you can reuse it later on. Well, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil and mix it. That's how you cook the penne pasta with right technique. See, as you can see, it's not overcooked. I hope this one helped you to cook the pasta with right technique. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. I hope you enjoy this video and I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.